Hello everyone, this is Elvis from Advantech. Welcome to our booth at COMPUTEX. Today, I'm excited to unveil a truly groundbreaking live demo, a pioneering solution powered by NVIDIA Jetson. Jetson delivers up to 2074 FP4 TFLOPS of AI performance with 128 GB of memory, making it the ultimate platform of AI-enhanced robotic, edge-based LLM, VLM, and autonomous machines. In this demo, we are showcasing video search and summarization, a task that previously required 4 to 8 H100 GPUs in a server environment. Now, thanks to Advantech's MIC-744 and the 743 Jetson systems, VSS can run directly at an edge with dramatically reduced power and cost. The secret lies in our sensor bridge and sensor switch architecture, enabling sensor to compute over Ethernet using GPU direct RDMA. This delivers ultra-low latency data transfer from sensor directly into the GPU, achieving real-time AI performance like never before. This isn't just a demo, it is a glimpse into the future of edge intelligence. Come explore how Advantech and NVIDIA making the edge AI faster, leaner, and more powerful than ever, right here at Advantech.